Welcome to Automoto Network News, bringing you the latest updates from the automotive world. Today's headline: Peugeot unveils the new E-5008, a revolutionary electric SUV redefining space and performance. The automotive landscape is evolving rapidly, with electric vehicles leading the charge towards a sustainable future. Peugeot is at the forefront of this movement, and their latest offering, the E-5008, is a testament to their commitment to innovation. The new Peugeot E-5008 is not just an electric SUV, it's a game-changer. It's the only all-electric SUV in its segment to offer seating for 7 passengers, setting a new standard for spaciousness and versatility. With a remarkable electric range of up to 660 kilometers, the E-5008 ensures that you can go the distance without compromising on performance or comfort. Powered by the innovative STLA medium platform and a battery made in France, this SUV delivers an efficient and exhilarating driving experience. But it's not just about power and range. The E-5008 is designed to impress inside and out. Its sleek and dynamic exterior exudes confidence, while the interior offers a welcoming and high-tech atmosphere that redefines luxury. Peugeot's commitment to customer satisfaction doesn't end with the vehicle itself. With the Allure Care program, buyers can enjoy total peace of mind with 8 years, 160,000 kilometers coverage, ensuring that their investment is protected for years to come. The new Peugeot E-5008 is a true masterpiece of engineering and design, setting a new benchmark for electric SUVs. With its exceptional living space, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly performance, it's poised to revolutionize the way we think about electric vehicles. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to Automoto Network for more news and reviews from the world of automobiles.